Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming no voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once power is off, remove the old fixtures cover and bulbs, then hold the canopy to locate mounting screws and note wire colors. Usually black is hot, white neutral, bare ground. Make sure to support the fixture while loosening connections. If the box lacks support, install a brace. Now set the new mounting bracket on the box and thread grounding wire through the bracket ready for final connections. You'll join wires next. Connect neutral to neutral and hot to hot using wire nuts rated for the conductor size. Once done, twist the wire nut tight and gently tug each conductor to confirm a secure connection. If the fixture has multiple leads, match their labels and use pigtails where necessary to feed the switch and fixture. Make sure ground wires are tied together and to the metal box or bracket. Tuck wires neatly into the box to prevent pinching before seating the canopy. Now fasten the fixture to the mounting bracket and secure screws evenly so it sits level. Make sure not to over-tighten plastic parts. Restore power at the breaker and test operation. Flip the switch and watch for steady light without flicker. If the light doesn't turn on, recheck wire connections, switched hot continuity, and that the breaker is not tripped. For flicker, confirm tight neutrals and proper bulb type/wattage. If ground or shock concerns persist, shut power and consult a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.